Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.4. In that first question, the question is given, find the value x so that L parallel to M. So observe the figure, Nana. So it is a straight line and L and M, these two also line. Yes, the line L and the line M, these two are parallel lines. Now we need to find the x values. You observe the angles here. Here given 2x plus 15 degrees and here 3x minus 10 degrees. Now what I am doing here, so by seeing these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Here 2x plus 15 degrees means here also what now? 2x plus 15 degrees, because of these two are what? Vertically opposite angles. Now by observing these two angles, these two are parallel lines and this is a transversal. Now we call these two angles 3x minus 10 degrees and 2x plus 15 degrees. These two angles are corresponding angles. Okay, so then what I am doing here, from the figure 2x plus 15 degrees is equals to 3x minus 10 degrees. Is it clear for you? First step what I taken, actually here not given 2x plus 15 degrees, but these two are vertically opposite angles, 2x plus 15 degrees. Then after these two angles L and M are parallel and this is a transversal. These two angles are corresponding angles. So we know corresponding angles are equal. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Now what I am doing here, transposing 2x from LHS to RHS and minus 10 from RHS to LHS. Already here 15 degrees is there, plus minus 10 degrees transposing to LHS side, it becomes plus 10 degrees. This side already 3x is there, plus 2x from LHS to RHS transposing means it becomes minus 2x. Okay, now 15 degrees plus 10 degrees, that is 25 degrees, is equals to 3x minus 2x, that is x. Therefore the value of x is equals to what, Nana? That is 25 degrees. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay, now see the second one. The next question is given, 8 times of a number reduced by 10. Question number 2 is given, 8 times of a number is reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times the number and 4. Find the number. Okay, ma? So this is the given question. Once you see the question carefully, 8 times of a number is reduced by 10. Reduced means what? Decrease avutadi. Is equal to sum of 6 times the number and 4. Okay, first of all, clearly we don't know number here. Okay, na? The number is unknown. Okay, so that's why what I am doing here, let the number be x. ఓకేనా, నెంబర్ని ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటున్నా. అకార్డింగ్ టు ద క్వశ్చన్ 8 times of a number, ఓకేనా, 8 times of a number is reduced by 10. 8 times of a number is reduced by 10 means 8 times of a number means the number is I taken x as, that is 8 of x reduced by 10 means that is minus 10, that is equals to what, nana? 8x minus 10 is equal to the 6 times the number and 4. 6 times the number and 4. 6 times the number means what, nana? That is 6 of the number is what, x, and 4 means that is plus 4, that is nothing but 6x plus 4. By problem 8 times of a number is reduced by 10 is equal to another, is equal to, so this ఈ రెండింటిని ఈక్వల్ చేయండి. 8x minus 10 is equals to 6x plus 4. ఓకేనా, సో దిస్ is the required equation. Now what I'm doing here, plus 6x from RHS to plus 6x is transposing from RHS to LHS, minus 10 is transposing to from LHS to RHS. So here already 8x is there, plus 6x transposing to LHS side, it becomes minus 6x is equals to, already here plus 4 is there, minus 10 is transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 10. 8x minus 6x, that is 2x is equals to 4 plus 10, that is 14. So then x is equals to, we can write it as 14 by 2. Into quantity is transposing means becomes a division quantity. 2 1s are, 2 7s are. Therefore x is equals to, we get what, nana? That is 7. Okay, so the number is 7. This is the required number. Okay na? So let us go for the verification. ఒకసారి వెరిఫై చేద్దాం. Okay na? Let us go for the verification. Verification. A number is 7 na? 8 times of a number means that is 8 into 7 reduced by 10 means minus 10. 8 7s are 56 minus 10, that is equals to what, 46. Okay, and 6 times of a number means that is 6 into 7 and 4. Yes, that is 6 7s are 42 plus 4, that is equals to 46. So clearly 46. So this is the required verification. Okay students, now see one more question. The question is given, a number consists of 2 digits. A number consists of 2 digits. I am writing the given data, third one. Given. Okay, first of all I am writing the question. Okay students, the question is given like this. A number consists of 2 digits. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is what, 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. What is the question? A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. find the number. So this is the given question. So 2-digit number means what, Ra? What is 2-digit number? We know 2-digit number starts from 10 and end with 99. So indulo edo oka number, okay na? See now, let the ones place digit of a 2-digit number. Okay, let the ones place digit of a 2-digit number, that is what, Nana? I am taking x. Then automatically it's a tens place digit, what, Ra? It's a tens place digit, that is 9 minus x, because of the sum of two numbers is what, Ra? The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. Okay, is 9. This is given only. Yes, your sum is 9 అన్నాడు. అంటే that meaning is the sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So that's why one of ones place digit is x means tens place digit is 9 minus x. So let the required number, let the number, 2-digit number ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? The number that is 10 of 9 minus x plus 1 of x, because of మనం expanded form రాస్తాం కదా numbers కి. For example, the number 23 is a 2-digit number. This is ones place and this is tens place. With the 10 we should multiply 2 and plus with 1 we should multiply 3, because of it's tens place digit, it's ones place digit. Okay na? So like that, here tens place digit is 9 minus x means I am multiplying with 10 and ones place digit is x means I am multiplying with 1. So 10 into 9, that is 90, minus 10 into x minus 10x plus 1 into x, 1x. So then we get that is 90 minus 9x. Okay na? 90 minus 9x. Now according to the question, if 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Digits are reversed means tens place digit ones place digit అవుతుంది, ones place digit it becomes tens place digit. For example, 23 is a number అనుకోండి, this is tens place, this is ones place. The digits are reversed means what? ఉల్టా 32 అవుతుంది, tens place 3 అవుతుంది, ones place 2 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? లైక్ దట్. So if 27 is subtracted from the number, according to the question, the number is what, Nano? 90 minus x. Yes, 90 minus 9x. If I subtracted 27 from this number, the digits are reversed. Ante ones place digit is just now we taken, that is this one. The digits are reversed. Ante ee x cost tens place digit avutundi, plus this tens place digit 9 minus x, it becomes ones place digit. Okay na? Like this. This is the required equation. Now 90 minus 9x minus 27 is equals to 10x plus 1 into 9 minus x, 9 minus x. Now 90 minus 27. 90 minus 27 means that is 63. 90 minus 27 means that is 63. Here minus 9x is equals to here plus 10x minus 1x, that is 9x plus 9. Okay. Now clearly what I am doing here, transposing minus 9x from LHS to RHS side and transposing plus 9 from RHS to LHS. Okay, so that is 63 is there, plus 9 transposing to LHS side, it becomes minus 9, and already here 9x is there. Minus 9x is transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 9x. Now 63 minus 9 means 63 minus 9 means we get that is 54 is equals to 9 plus 9, that is 18. So 9x plus 9x, that is 18x. Then we can write it as 18 is transposed to LHS side, then that is 54 by 18 into quantity becomes division quantity, that is equals to x. 18 ones are 18 threes are 54. Therefore x is equals to what, Nana? X is equals to 3. X is nothing but what ra? X అనేది ones place digit కదా. So the ones place digit is 3. Then tens place digit what, Nana? Ones place digit, that is x is equals to 3. Then tens place digit that is 9 minus x. Okay na? Now that is 9 minus 3 means we get that is 6. So the required number is what, Nana? 63. Okay na? This is ones place, this is tens place. What is the required number? 63. The sum of the digits of a number 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay na students? Thank you.